Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating the correct procedure for solving this internet viral math problem. This problem has confused a lot of people, and the main reason is its format and people's forgetting the fundamentals of the anatomy of a number. So let's go back to the basics and look at some things that we're all familiar with, namely the number 1/2 and the number line. Let's first look at the number 1/2. This is the number 1/2 or 1/2. The line between the 1 and the 2 represents division. So in the conventional form of reading numbers top to bottom, left to right, we read this number as 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 can also be written as 1 divided by 2. It can also be written as 1 divided by 2. And it can also be written as 0.5, which is 1/2. 5/10, that is, which is also 5/10. Or if you reduce that, it equals 1/2. But 1/2 is one number. And I'll show you that in an example using the number line. Here we have a simple number line with the center value being 0 and the numbers going to the right, going up positively, infinitely, and the numbers to the left going negative, infinitely. Each number represents one digit. There's also numbers in between each digit. For example, the number between 0 and 1 at the center point is 1/2. 1 divided by 2. The next number is 1. The next number is 2. The next number is 3. And the next number is 4. Is there any other way to represent the number 4? Of course there are. There are several ways. Here's one. What do you think about that? That is one number. That is the number 4. 8 divided by 2 can also be represented in this format. But it's still one number. I'll show you. Some of you argued that the correct order of operations is P, B, M, D, A, S. And you're right. The problem was you were not recognizing that 8 divided by 2 was a single number that you should use to clear the parentheses. So you were right. They just tricked you. Here we have our original problem. The tricky part is they've represented 4 as 8 divided by 2. In the format that we're looking at, we usually look at it as a factoring problem or a problem that has variables or coefficients. So you mistake the 2 for a coefficient and you try to treat it as an integer, but it is not an integer. It is a component of the number 4. When you rewrite 8 divided by 2 as 8 over 2, it's much easier to see that, oh, that's 4. And then you're correct. You do parentheses first. I'll work the problem out now for you using the correct order of operations.